Hi, I'm Brian Charles from Charles Double Reed Company, and in this video I'm going to talk a little bit and show you a little bit about how I use the ReedGeek, the new double reed scraper from ReedGeek Company, to adjust oboe and bassoon reeds. I like to use this as a finishing tool, although you can do the entire reed with this. I think that a rough knife for roughing out the beginning of the reeds is probably a wise move. But for convenience, this can't be beat. And for control, this can't be beat. This little guy has chamfered areas on the sides of its ultra-sharp edges. And you can see how there's a variety of little cutout areas and different angles, including up here where you have a flat part directly up front. And you have these little rounded areas here, all slightly different angles for different uses. Let's take an oboe reed first. You can see on this reed that the tip has been slightly ripped by a more aggressive knife. Using this, you certainly could probably make it do that, but you won't have it happen as easily, the tip ripping. I would use a section over here that has a slight curve to it, and with very gentle strokes you can see it removes just the littlest bit of cane, and it can be very, very delicate, very, very precise. So using those is great for bigger, longer scrapes. If you needed to, you can do this both directions, and you can see here where this particular reed has some cut marks. If you wanted to get rid of those, you use the rounded area here and just go back and forth a few times. And you notice I'm not using a high angle. I'm just like that. And you can see it's taking off just a tiny bit, just enough so that you can smooth those areas out. Now on a bassoon reed, you might want to have more of the longer strokes. You would use one of these sections more often. The way that this is cut, there's a different angle on both sides of each cut. So you could have a more severe cut or a much rounder effect. And as it's kind of hard to show this, but I think you can imagine, as you scrape over the reed, you can remove cane in very specific places in very specific ways. So the ReedGeek, easier to use, nice handle, it's well made. It has a lot of different opportunities for different shapes, and as much as it's sharp, it's not going to cut your hand. You can take it with you, I believe, on a plane or bring it to school because, in effect, it's not a dangerous knife, just a wonderful tool. It's from ReedGeek Company, and you can get them here at Charles Double Reed Company. I'm Brian Charles for Charles Double Reeds. Thanks for watching.